wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! Wow, I didn't see you out there almost. Dude, this is a garden. I had to pop out to see you. Hi, kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! Yay, yay! Look at this. This is my big garden. Yeah.
Achoo!
No. Gesundheit. Wait. Did those flowers just sneeze, kids?
No, that was me.
Oh, Noah!
Oh, hi, kids!
Wow, I didn't even see you down there.
Achoo!
Oh, Gesundheit.
I think I'm allergic to...
Oh, yeah.
Do you have a tissue?
No.
Oh, maybe I should get my nose out of these flowers.
Yeah, I think that'd be a good idea. I think
Okay.
you're allergic to one of them.
I'm just gonna lay them down.
Okay.
There.
Wow.
There we go. Oh, hi, kids!
Yeah, hi, kids. Wow, I didn't even see you back there, Noah. The flowers were so tall. Yeah.
Yeah.
How does your nose feel?
I have a lot of snot in there.
Do you know what allergies are?
No, what are allergies?
Allergies are when your body doesn't do well with pollen.
Achoo!
Bless you, like that. Allergies is the allergen and the pollen makes you sneeze.
Oh, and I thought for a second I was getting sick, and I was like, I can't get sick now.
Nope.
It's springtime. I want to go outside and play, so I've been outside for a long time, and every day, and then...
Oh.
Achoo!
Oh, wow, yeah, you really are allergic, huh?
Yeah.
I wonder which
guess
one
so.
it is.
I don't know.
Huh, maybe we should try. Should we test them out?
Oh, okay, let's test
Okay,
them.
let's test them out. Let's smell. Can you smell this one? Is that okay?
That seems okay.
Try this one.
It's okay.
And what about...
Maybe these ones.
Yeah, try the pink ones.
Achoo!
Oh! Wow, yep, that's the one, huh? It's the pink ones.
Achoo! I think I need to give you these pink ones.
Yeah.
Do you want these?
Oh, I do. Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Oh, and
that feels so much better.
yeah. Do you want these blue ones instead?
I want blue ones. Yeah, blue are my favorite color.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Wow.
Oh, they're so cool.
Who knew that you were so allergic? Let me smell them. I want to see if I'm allergic. Nope. Nope, I still like them.
What do they smell like?
They smell like sugary perfume.
Oh, wow, cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I think today we wanted to show the kids what they need in order to plant some of their own flowers in their garden, right?
Yeah.
And what all the things are that they can plant in their garden.
And we can tell you what kinds of flowers these are. Like, do you know what these pink ones are, Noah?
No, I don't.
These pink ones are peonies.
Peonies. Oh, okay.
I think.
What about the blue ones here? You forgot? Okay.
Yeah,
That's
maybe.
What about these orange ones?
The orange ones, those ones are gergeras.
Oh.
And what about the purple? Do you remember the purple?
I don't remember the purple.
The purple ones? Yeah,
These here?
those? Yeah. Those ones are lilac.
Lilac.
And then-
Oh, I know lilac.
I remember what your blue ones are.
Oh, what are they?
They're pansies.
Pansies?
Pansies, yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Yeah, I didn't either. It took
That's
me a
pretty
minute.
cool. So kids, if you want to plant these types of flowers, all you need to do is get a couple of these pots. You see the pots that we got?
Yep, up in the front.
And you'll need to get some soil. And what's another word for soil?
Oh, dirt.
Dirt.
Yep, just
and
dirt.
Should they get that at a garden shop or should they just take their own dirt?
I would just take your own dirt, but maybe if you live in the desert, you could get it at a garden shop because the garden shop will have better dirt.
Yeah, and what's so special about the dirt that you can get at a garden shop?
Oh, it's it's really nutrient rich. So
Yeah. So what does that mean? It has
means-
a lot of food, right?
yeah, food for the plants,
Food
right?
for the plants.
Yeah.
So you'll need that, and then of course water. But water you have at home.
Yeah.
And to make it easy, you can either use a hose
or a watering can.
or a watering can.
Yeah. But no, we forgot the most important part.
Well, what's the most important?
A seed.
Oh, of course, you need to
Yeah.
get seed. So
Yeah.
these flowers from a small little seed that you
A
can
little
buy.
one.
You plant them into the dirt and then you water them every day.
Yeah.
Unless, of course, it rains, then you don't have to water them.
That's true.
But if it doesn't rain, then you water
Then you-
them once a day. And then you just watch it grow. And at the beginning, I'm pretty sure first you have green stems coming out. And then the longer they grow, then one day, boop, boop, a flower comes. Pretty cool, huh?
That's so neat.
That's how that happens.
Wow.
And then, well, we also have some butterflies. So these flowers probably maybe attract some nice butterflies.
yeah.
But they can also attract, what else can they attract? Like bees, right?
Oh yeah, they can attract bees, and the bees can then take the pollen from one flower to another flower, right?
Yeah. And how about hummingbirds? I really love hummingbirds.
They attract hummingbirds, and also,
Oh, look, right above you, there's a hummingbird. It's come.
aw,
Wow.
I like those. You see how long their noses are?
Yeah.
And also how fast their wings fly.
Yeah, and it looks like they're
Yeah.
flying. They're not even flying. They're just standing still, but
Yeah.
they use their wings.
And you know what that's called? When it looks like you're standing still?
No.
It's hovering, so it looks like they're just hovering there.
Oh, just
The
like a
hummingbirds.
helicopter, right?
Yeah,
So-
and they come in so many different pretty colors.
Yeah. But kids, what you can also grow at home are not just plants, but what else can they do?
It's still a plant. So they can also grow cactuses.
Oh, when it's really, really, really dry, right?
Like this one over here on this
over
side.
there?
Yeah, that one's a cactus.
Oh,
so it
okay.
doesn't need very much water.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So they don't even have to water that one at all.
Well, maybe once in a great while. Like a little, like maybe just a little small watering once every week or two. Probably
Okay.
two.
And then what about vegetables? Can they
Oh, yeah.
also grow vegetables?
Yeah, you can grow vegetables and fruit.
That's pretty
Yeah.
cool. Just imagine, kids, you can grow your own vegetables that you can grow and have grown.
Yeah.
And they're like spring vegetables, or summer vegetables, and fall vegetables.
Yeah.
And then when you pick them, you can eat them and have them for lunch, dinner, or even breakfast.
Yeah, and the strawberries will grow too, and strawberries that you grow in your own garden taste better than strawberries from the store.
That is very
I
true.
think.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're delicious.
But I guess maybe we do that at another day, another episode or something
Yeah.
like that. I think we covered already a lot, didn't we?
Yeah, I think the kids learned so much.
They did.
And there's all the different colors, the butterflies. Oh, and in front, those red flowers.
What are they?
We didn't talk about those. Those ones are poinsettias.
Oh, those are the Christmas flowers.
Yeah, those are the Christmas flowers.
Oh,
yeah.
I remember from our Christmas episodes, we had those out. I
And-
really love those too.
Yeah. And you know they flower at Christmas time, but they actually, the green part can grow all year round.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I didn't know it until
But they
recently.
flower only in the Christmas. So they're like winter plants?
Yep, they're winter plants.
Okay.
Pretty cool, huh?
And then up front there, oh, I love smelling them.
Oh.
They're lavender.
Oh, lavender is
I
really,
love
really
lavender.
nice. Yeah, lavender I love. It's one of my favorites.
But Olivia, we still have 3 more pots that we have to plant.
Oh,
What should we do?
we better get busy, huh?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. Oh,
What do we want to plant?
I want to plant
Oh, I know.
some... What do you want to plant?
Can I say?
Yeah, what do you want to plant?
Sunflowers. Because you know what I love about sunflowers? They can be very tall.
Yeah. Sunflowers are amazing. They can be taller than a grown-up.
Yep.
Wow.
What do you want to plant?
I want to plant jasmine.
Jasmine?
Yeah, do you know why?
No.
Because it's a vine, so it can grow all over the fence and the trees and everything, and it still has little purple flowers that smell really, really good.
That's pretty cool. And then, can I make another request?
Yeah.
Can we also plant in the third and final pot?
Can I guess?
Yeah.
A rose?
Yay! You guessed it!
Yeah, a rose sounds lovely.
Because it's my favorite flower, right?
Yeah, it's your favorite flower, and I love roses too. They're very pretty.
Nice.
They smell great.
That's very cool. Okay.
Okay.
Well, let's get started on that I know the dirt is still in the backyard. We should get some of that.
Yeah, we should get it. We should say bye to the kids before we go, huh?
Yeah, we should.
Okay, thanks, kids, for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, we'll see you next time.
And don't forget to plant your own seeds and vegetables and fruits and everything that you want to do inside the garden, because it's a lot of fun, and it's good for the environment, and it's really, really good for all of us, too.
Yeah, and they smell pretty, and they're beautiful and delicious, depending on which ones.
Yep. Okay, butterflies, fly away, and see you later, kids. Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below.